Hi everyone, it's Stella Benjamin and Rusty Pop with Intero Real Estate Services. Welcome to 1007 Byerley Avenue in San Jose.
So what I love about this house, of course this backyard is absolutely gorgeous, but in addition to that, the square footage of this house is amazing. We have a 2,000 square foot main house, which has 3 bedrooms and 2 full beautiful bathrooms, as well as a 600 square foot cottage right here in the backyard that has 1 bathroom, 1 bedroom, and both parts of this property are completely remodeled from top to bottom.
So Rusty, what I love about this house is the neighborhood. It's so quaint and charming, and it's right in the heart of Willow Glen, and it's just beautiful.
Yeah, I really love a tree-lined street, and this one is just for the storybooks. So we all love the charm of an original Willow Glen house, and what this property has done is it's really blended the old world along with a lot of the new amenities. The kitchen is fully remodeled with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and nice custom cabinets, and it has a gas stove. Absolutely move-in ready. You have gleaming hardwood floors almost throughout the whole property, 2 full bathrooms. You have 1 bedroom that's actually on the ground floor, which is really nice these days. Off the master bedroom upstairs, not only do you have a beautiful bathroom and a large space with a walk-in closet, but you also have a nice deck and balcony that you can use to enjoy your coffee in the mornings as you overlook this beautiful backyard.
I really like the cottage, Rusty. It's added space, it's beautiful. It's a really nice guest house, and it's brand new.
And you know, Stella, one of the other things that I think buyers should be a little bit more concerned about than sometimes they typically are the capital upgrades. These are the things that cost a lot of money when you're remodeling a house, but they don't shine the same way that granite countertops do or hardwood floors do. And what I'm talking about are the upgrades that really make the house, the bones.
Yeah, Rusty, I know this has everything. It has 2 tankless water heaters, the presidential composition roof, and it also has multi-zone ACs in both structures.
That's right. So I'm a sucker for a really nice backyard, and this one is a stunner, and it kind of goes in line with the storybook street. You actually have a storybook backyard of your own here, and it has everything.
I know, I love the backyard. My husband and I spend 90% of our free time in the backyard, and I would love this. That beautiful gate as you walk in, and you see the pavers and the grass and the landscaping, and just it's so low maintenance and so beautiful. I could be here every night.
I totally agree, and one of the things that I like that's easy to miss is that there's the flagstone pathway to the jacuzzi. When it comes to real estate, everybody knows location is #1, and this one's in Willow Glen, which is where everybody really wants to live. We're only steps away from Lincoln Avenue, which is the prime spot for all of Willow Glen. That's where all the shopping, the dining, and all the leisure is here in the Willow Glen community. And what I like to say about Willow Glen that's a little bit different than most neighborhoods in San Jose is it's almost a front yard neighborhood, which means people spend a lot of time out in their front yards, interacting with their neighbors, which is just something that's a little bit lost in today's society.
Also, Rusty, don't forget, it's close to Valley Fair, downtown San Jose, Campbell, and Santana Row.
Yeah, that's right. And the other thing about it too is it's not a bad location to go to the peninsula where all the tech giants that Silicon Valley is world renowned for. Plus, we're only about maybe 4 miles away from the Apple campus, which is world famous. You know, and of course, everybody always wants to know about schools. This one does go to Bookson Elementary, which is a great elementary school here in the area. In addition to that, it's not far away from some of the private schools that you may have heard of, like Bellarmine Prep or Valley Christian High School. As always, we want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video presentation of this beautiful house at 1007 Byerley Avenue in San Jose. If you have any questions about this house or any property, please feel free to give us a call at the number that's on the screen, and you can text us there as well.
Stop by and say hi at the open house.